Hello and welcome to the first in a series of short videos on how to hit the ground running with R. This video will cover two very important background skills before we can get started with any analysis or visualization, and those are setting the working directory and installing and loading packages. So firstly, let's open a new R script file. So new file, R script. To set the working directory, we go to Session, Set Working Directory, choose Directory, and here you'll be prompted to navigate through your folder structure to find the folder where your file is saved. This is the file of data that you'd like to import, and click Open. We can copy and paste this code into the R script for next time. In order to make use of a package, we need to go through a two-step process. So first of all, we need to install the package, and secondly, we need to load up that package. So firstly, we use install.packages. Let's install the car package. So we need the word car wrapped in speech marks. And press Ctrl and Enter to run this. We know R is finished installing the package when the blinking cursor returns. Okay, secondly, we need to use the library command to load up the package. So library, and then the name of the package, no speech marks this time. And again, Control and Enter to run that. And now the car package is ready for us to use.